Today we're going to turn this fine free piece of silver maple into a lovely Valentine's Day gift. Let's get after it. I have a little helper today. She wants to play. It's kind of hard to get any work done with this little guy. You need to just let the blade do all the work. Don't push it. You'll notice that I cut this from the back side. See how smooth this is? Actually, both sides are pretty smooth. Reminds me of like 6th grade. I think I used to get paddled with these quite a bit. This is going to be a bathroom valet. There should be some nice figure hidden in there. Let's clean this up.